Yeah, yeah. So what do you think about Bitcoin's price maybe in the next couple of weeks?
I mean, we could easily see. I'm still looking at probably the 26 mark, but we did see a pause here, and there was probably a lot of institutions and markets that quite didn't quite get a price here, down to 26 right there. So it might stop and hit there before we come down to 24. 24 I see as the current market bottom most likely.
Okay. So you're looking at kind of basically just those two like very small support. I mean, because it is true the DEX supports the all-time high of Bitcoin, which is like 20K. So if there was two price points, I was looking around the same range. But yeah, what else? What else?
Yep. Yeah. On the I could possibly see it coming down to 28, but that is very close to the very bottom of the rainbow right now. So we're quickly getting to the point where that is outside of being above the floor on the logarithmic rainbow. That's the only reason I don't see us coming down there. If we do, it'll be very, very brief.
Hey guys, just really quickly because he's talking about the log rainbow. If you guys want to see it, we actually dropped a video with, and he explains the log. There you go, it's right there. Just to bring it right back up, where it's basically just logarithmic regression of Bitcoin's price on the weekly time frame. Oh, you're looking at the daily though, but usually people look at it on the weekly. And he's saying that we're gonna down to like that middle point, right?
Yeah, coming. I see it coming down more here or here. This area here, while it's a good play, we are already underneath the bottom. So if it does come down to this point, it's either going to be a black swan event or most likely just a wick where it doesn't stabilize there at all. This area here, it's more likely. But yeah, just a quick top-down breakdown. I mean, we are still definitely seeing lower highs, and even here we are seeing lower lows. If we break down to 4 hour, as you can see, very evident that we're still following this trend. Most likely we'll be seeing, I guess, 28 by the mid-month if we don't have some major event that shoves it down. For example, S&P 500 might drop down. It is a higher risk market here in Bitcoin, so we could be seeing a much larger dip take when S&P moves, or if for example, CPI coming out yesterday, we're still not seeing quite the expected effects in the markets
Exact
from the
opposite.
higher inflation. Yeah,
The higher inflation should have been the exact opposite market reaction. But again, people are, they don't really understand all the variables involved. So it was just really weird.
on the hourly here, we are seeing a little more support from across the board here, but we are also failing at that support currently and just hitting our head on it. So we are most likely going to see a simple breakdown like so.
That's what it's looking like. So what's the time frame? Like if you can kind of just guesstimate, obviously nobody, knows the future, but if you were to guess like a time frame when you think it's going to get back down to like your 26
Give it end of the month.
end of the month. Okay.
Yeah, it's about where this lands out if we follow this pinch point down.